Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Breville brand toaster oven and it's giving you an e02 error and you're wondering what to do with this and why you're getting it and stuff like that. So a couple things. A little bit of bad news is that this is a serious error according to the manufacturer because this is potentially dangerous, potentially a fire hazard because what the e02 error is that the thermistor, which controls how hot the oven gets, and tells how hot the oven is not working properly. And so that could cause the oven to just overheat to a point where there's a fire or causing burns or something like that. So this is not something that you can just turn off yourself. Now, but a couple of things that might have caused it is that if the inside of your oven is really dirty, that can sometimes prevent the thermistor from operating properly. So you might want to give a good cleaning to your oven. And secondarily, if you've just cleaned it and you've used water or liquids and it's still wet inside there, this can also cause that kind of a malfunction. So if you're just getting it after doing something like that, you might just want to leave it to dry for several hours or even a day, and then turn it on and see if it's working again. So anyways, I hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.